Hi everyone, here we go again. We have to do unboxing for this two remaining Longchamp bag that I purchased. And yeah, let's do this. First is another Longchamp, and ta-da! It's this, what do you call this one? It's the Longchamp Neo in extra small. Let's do this. Okay, so here it says the series Neo extra small, and here's color black. This is in Euro because the seller bought this in Europe. Okay, and as you can see, it's a nylon bag. It's so cute, and it's similar to the Longchamp Energy, but this one, the nylon is smooth and shiny, as you can see, and it's thick. It's so nice. You can see it's really durable, and yeah, it's a silver hardware. As you can see here, Longchamp, and it has a tassel of leather. There you go. And yeah, unlike the Longchamp Energy, the tassel here is, it's like, what do you call that one? Cloth. But this one is leather. And compared to, like in my previous video, I have there the Energy in size small, and as you can see, the difference is that the zipper of the Energy is concealed with a long shank here, but this is the Neo line, so it has a chunky zipper, again with a leather tassel, and this is same, it's also leather, same color as the nylon as the body, and then this is leather. And as you can see, in the front there is a pocket in the front and pocket in the back, at the back. And then yeah, this one, it's a slip pocket, big enough. I think you can fit here your slim card case, card wallet. And then yeah, this is the size of the inner slip pocket. And then it has a leather strap. You can use this as a handbag or a sling bag. Okay, again, it has a silver hardware. Okay, and then in front, as you can see here, this is again the size of the front slip pocket. And then, okay, I have here the card. Okay, and here's the slip pocket here. And then inside, it's a thick, nice nylon. And you can see here, it's shiny. Inside is a shiny inner lining. Unlike the energy, the inner lining is, it's like a cloth, something like that. And here's the type of the nylon here, and the pocket is the same as the outside. And then I think you can fit card here, your card, but again, I will not recommend to put your card here. I'm not confident it might fall. And then here, let's check. Okay, here's the tab. It says made in France. So if you have seen my previous video, my Longchamp Energy Small is made in China, but this one is made in France. But it doesn't mean it's made in China, it's fake. Okay, Longchamp manufacturer is in China, Tunisia, and France. So yeah, so although it's extra small, I think it fits a lot because it's nylon, so it will expand. And yeah, with this, it really think it can fit your basic essential daily need, like your wallet, your cell phone, AirPods, maybe your power bank, your lipstick, face powder, car key. So I think it will. I will make another video on what fits on this Longchamp extra small bag. So after maybe 2 weeks after I will use this one. And then yeah, this one is leather. Okay, and the strap that comes with this bag, let's check. Okay, so again, for this bag, energy line, like similar, the strap is guitar strap, but this one, the Neo line, it's leather. Okay, and it's adjustable. It's adjustable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes in it, and mine, I prefer it in the second hole. And then yeah, it has the logo. Yeah, it's a very nice. And then let's measure. It's 10, around 10 inches in length. It's around 6 inches in height, and here, from here, the bottom to here, it's 6 inches to here, and then the width is around 4, so it's 4 6, the width is 4 and bottom length is 6, and it's again the height is 6 and the length is 10, so 10, 6, and this is 6 and then 4. Okay, so it's a very nice smooth nylon, and yeah, let's try to, okay, what else, let's try to attach the sling. So we just have to press, okay, for easier. And then this one also, I usually use this side. Okay, so it's like this. You can use this as a sling bag, and yeah. Oh, by the way, the drop of the handle is around 2.5. Actually, you can use this as like this. It's a handbag. It's very nice for travel, when you can only put your very essential, your easy access, aside from your personal bag. You can use your, you can have your wallet, your passport, your AirPods, your very basic. Yeah, so there you go. It's very nice. And yeah, this is the Longchamp Neo in size extra small. Okay, thank you, bye bye, until my next video for my third new Longchamp in my collection. Bye.